Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you how to screen record on your Mac using the built-in recorder. No downloads or extra apps needed. So whether you're creating a tutorial, capturing a presentation, or just want to record your screen fast, this method is simple, free, and works right away. Let's get started. The easiest way to screen record on a Mac is by using the built-in shortcut. Just press Command plus Shift plus 5 on your keyboard. Alternatively, you can also use the QuickTime Player. Just launch your QuickTime Player, go to File, click on New Screen Recording. This gives you similar controls, but it's especially useful if you're using an older macOS version. You will see this small toolbar pop up at the bottom of your screen with options like capturing or taking a screenshot of your entire screen, capturing a selected window, capturing a specific portion, and of course, recording your entire screen or recording a selected portion. From here, simply choose the option you want and hit record and you're all set. But before you start recording, click on Options. Here, you can choose where your recordings get saved. On the desktop, which is the default location, Documents, or even a custom folder. You can also set a timer, pick your microphone input if you want to record your voice, and even choose whether to show your mouse clicks. This is super handy for tutorials and walkthroughs. Once you've adjusted your options, simply click Record to start. Then, when you're finished, stopping is just as easy. Click the small stop button in the menu bar. Your recording will instantly appear as a thumbnail in the corner of your screen. Just click it to preview, trim, or save. And that's it guys. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.